Hello everyone and welcome. I ordered a new 3DS XL, not a new, but it's called the new 3DS XL that has the upgraded chip inside and the right stick so you can move the camera. Anyways, I ordered it from eBay, Japanese version. I researched and saw there is a way to hack the system so that you can change it to English, because it's much cheaper to get the Japanese version. And let me tell you, I ordered this just 2 days ago. It came here in 2 days. It's unbelievable how faster than ordering it in the US. If the system is good and everything's good, I'll put a link to the person I bought it from, because they have a ton of them. And it came out to after tax and shipping and everything, it came out to $115. It's used, and it said on the description that it has a little bit of a yellow tint to the screen, but I guess a lot of them do, and there's ways to counteract that when you hack it. Like you can put change the gamma, like the filter. There's like a blue thing you could add to it that'll just counteract the yellow. This is packed really good. I am really impressed so far. I may have struck gold, because just from seeing it right here, this looks really in good condition, better condition than even they said, because they said there's some scratches, this, that, and the other. A little bit of a wear, but I am really impressed so far. I mean, this is what mine would look like if I owned one. You know, a little bit of dings here and there. Yeah, there it is. Came with the pen. Doesn't come with the charger, but I have like 3 chargers. I've had 3 of these and they've all been stolen or lost. Last one, I'm so mad because I had the Majora's Mask 3DS XL, new 3DS XL, the one that's going for like $500 to $1,000 on eBay right now. I left it at work and somebody took it. Twice that happened. I forgot it at work. Somebody took it. And then the last one I lost a few months ago. It's one of my favorite systems. Love 3D. Glassesless even. I left it on a Southwest flight right after I went, and they said no, the flight took off already for the next flight. I filled out the thing for them to find it. Exactly. I know where I put it. I left it in the pocket right in front of me in the seat. And they said they didn't locate it. So this is my 4th one that I have to buy. And still it stings that I had the Majora's Mask 1 edition and that one was taken. I still have the box and everything. But let's open this up. All right, I see some light scuffs, like very light. It actually is more seen, like you can see it better in this video, but like in person, even less. This is looking real nice. This looks like one I would own. I mean, oh, the buttons. Perfect. Feels good. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. But let me see. Let me make sure. Oh, yeah. As far as I'm concerned, this is perfect. Now, I want to see the yellow tint that people talk about. It's a big thing in Japan, I guess, in their systems. Let's see if there's any charge in this right now. No, there's no charge. Okay, let me charge it up. Actually, there is a little bit of a charge. And let me tell you, it looks, I see very, very, a little bit yellow. Nothing out of the ordinary, actually. Is this, they say there's IPS screens, like better screens from the angle. I can't even tell. This looks beautiful. You guys, if you're looking for one, get it. The prices, it came down. It used to be a few hundred. Now I got it, like I said, $115. I did a offer, like best offer, and they accepted it, by the way. I offered $75. It was asking for $110, I think, and it had a shipping cost of $25, and they accepted it. So just throwing those offers. The 3D is, oh yeah, this is perfect. I can't believe I got this for that price. So if you're hesitating, get it. I'm telling you, go on eBay if you really want one. one of the best systems. Ocarina of Time, greatest video game ever made in 3D, glassesless. I'm a huge tech guy. I love the 3DS XL. Actually, the last one I had wasn't even new 3DS XL. I had bought a used just the regular 3DS XL, but it's got new 3DS has this, and you can play some games that aren't compatible with the regular 3DS XL. So, all right, next step is going to be hacking it. But let me tell you, yellowing, don't even worry about it. That's such, I mean, at least this one and them claiming it's yellowing, I mean, barely. If you wouldn't have told me that, I wouldn't have even noticed any. I would say this looks like my regular 3D. Maybe mine was yellowing, I don't know. But this is awesome. I'm so glad I got a 3DS XL, the new 3DS XL on eBay, and I got a good one. Look at this. It took me a while, but I changed it to the US region. I hacked it, followed all the steps. Took me like it took me like a couple hours because I was following the steps, but there were some things I missed or did wrong, or there was something wrong with the thing, or whatever. But anyways, look, my Japanese 3DS has become US version. And I must say, I've been using it to do all the stuff. The buttons are perfect. Like, this is almost brand new, I'm telling you. I misspoke about the price, by the way. It was listed at $109.99. I misspoke because I was really excited. I was in my car. I wanted to film my first reactions of opening it. I couldn't wait. But anyways, it was listed as $109.99 or best offer. I gave a best offer. Oh, this sounds and this music is bringing back a lot of memories. $109.99, and then on top of that, a $25 shipping fee. I offered $80 instead of $109.99, and they accepted it. So after the $80 plus the $25 and the tax, it came out to $113 shipped, and it got here in 2 days. And again, the description, let me go to the description so you could see. Check this out. There's a title. Here's a function, slight yellowish on the screen. And then it says you can't change it from Japanese version, blah, 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 which I just hacked and it worked. Here is the seller. He's got a bunch of these. New 3DS XL Japan. Where is it? There it is. Masu/88 store. I'm telling you. And this is one of those guys that the yellowish and all that stuff, like, it looks like he lists it so that he covers every aspect of, like, just in case like, he goes above and beyond to say it's a little worse than it actually is, just to make sure you're satisfied. Oh, this also says there are scratches on the screen, which I cannot detect at all. I mean, when it's off, you can see it, but that's like normal wear, but barely. It is the console and the pen. So just the console and the pen. Anyways, so this is just, I made this video because I think there's a lot of people out there that want a 3DS, or prices have been high. Either they're in my position where they lost it, or they sold it and they miss it, or whatever. And I think this is one of the best systems ever. Let me get to the main menu. And here it is. By the way, the yellowing, I don't notice at all. I don't notice at all. I mean, it looks like a regular. Look at this. This is my US version of Zelda, Majora's Mask. They use the right joystick for it and everything. Anyways, I mean, take a look. I took the back cover off because I have to keep bringing out the SD card and stuff. But anyways, I hope this video gives you peace of mind. Go out there, get a good deal on a 3DS XL, new 3DS XL. Make your offers and enjoy gaming like I do. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.